This is iconic silver hair. This is the kind of silver hair. This is dream hair. I have saved so many posts on Instagram of ladies with pixie silver hair that has this long hair on top that they just style it, and it's iconic. Because how many women in real life, really at this age with silver white hair, have thick hair? I don't think there's that many. And so when they're on Instagram, everybody loves their posts and their pictures because it's like, oh, what I'd give to have that hair and have that hairstyle and be able to get that. And there's no way I can, because we all know that I don't have much when it comes to silver hair. My hair is not going to do this, ladies. It's not going to do this. This wig is fabulous. This has a mono part. It has a lace front that just goes from ear tab to ear tab. So it's incredibly lightweight. It has the velvet nape and ear tabs and stretchy wefting. But you know what? Okay, so you've got this, and most of the time you're thinking, well, I'm going to have to go to the hair salon and get it colored, get it cut, and have it styled, only to last the first wind that blows it or the first raindrop that drops on it, right? Okay, you know. Instead, no more being sad that I can't have iconic silver hair. That I can, you saw that took seconds to pop that on. And then I am from that drab to fab. I'm from that, yes, look at this. Can you believe it? I gotta show you. I'll show you the sides. In the back, very long, shaggy, tapered, long fringe in the back. Love that. See how these little pieces are curled? This is high heat, so you're going to be able to actually, if you wanted it straight and you didn't want it like this, you can, add curl to it if you want it tighter. But I don't know. This is so perfect. I don't know that I could ever get that back. Now look at this. This is what I love. How we went from that look. So if you wanted to, you can sweep it back. Think about that. You can use wax, wig wax and piecing wax to be able to, this hair you would never know. So look at that, this serendipity. When you have a little bit of already gray hair, and I can pull that out like that. And look at that. No one is gonna know that isn't growing straight out of my scalp or your scalp. They're not gonna know that. See how my fingers just run through it? That's how soft these fibers. Look how real that looks. That's just fabulous and incredible. I'm just loving this. So that a little bit of that got tucked up in there. So I want to pull that down. So this is just a fabulous, well, you've seen those ladies on Instagram and they heighten their hair like this, right? And they've got millions of followers because of their great silver hair. Okay, so you and I, we can have that hair too now, right? We can have it too. Just that easy. Ellen Wille, synthetic, high heat. This is great. Its name is Cover. And this is Silver Mist, but it comes in different colors. So, maybe you're not silver. Maybe you're more of a blonde, brunette, or redhead. But this has been, because I have saved so many of those, ladies I follow, and I save their posts and think, oh, I would like my hair like that. And because I just think it's fabulous. And people are always asking them, on their sites, they'll say, who does your hair? How do you do it? Can you do a video about how to do it and how to make it stay and how to get that style in it? I've got the answer. It's called Cover by Ellen Wille, and you do it in seconds. You just pop it on and finger comb it to your desired shape and look. So this is really fun. I'm just going to tell you that this is no hype. This is really, if you were one to ask me what I wish my hair totally looked like, this would be the one. Because I can see dressing this, I think everybody in our IRL are going to probably see me this in all the time. I think so, because I think it's just everything that, the vibe that I like, you know, this is just truly kind of my fashion vibe. So like this, a jean jacket, you can wear it with this. If I had on a black evening gown and beautiful earrings and necklace, this would go with that. So I just think it's one of those fabulous hairstyles. I think it's truly iconic. So if you want one of these, you can have iconic hair right with me, okay? Let's do this together. Okay, coming up, I'm in Dallas. I'm here for some big kind of ambassador event for some ambassadors from wigs.com. I can't wait to get with all those ladies. We're going to have such great content to show you. I just can't wait. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to spend about 4 days with these ladies, and I'll be mentioning their names soon because you know, I'm sure you know them all. But some of the things that coming up, or what's going to come up in the next few weeks and days, is that, of course, wigs.com is right here in Dallas, Texas, where I am, and I went by the offices and loaded up. Wait a second, I can't even hold them all. Okay, so we have Ellen Wille, and more. We have different wigs. We have all kinds of wigs that I'm going to show you, from short to brunette to blonde, rooted, silver. So stay tuned because I've got a lot of fun wig reviews to show you, and I can't wait to do that. But this is the one. Okay, doing my darlings. I'll see you later. Bye.